I want to say this empirically, that the Nigerian youths and Rivers youths are grateful for you coming to take over our secretariat, our local government secretariat, thereby stopping invaders. Before the arrival of your men, through your deployment, some few local governments have been invaded by the people loyal to the executive governor of Rivers State. We were very happy when we hear him say that he is discharging and giving responsibility to the head of personnel of the local government to take over, pending the determination of the various conflicting court cases and court orders before the law courts. But to our dismay, on the 17th of this month, people were given funds meant for development to go and siege and take over our local government with arms. We are saying this because we want to thank the Nigerian police force for preventing these hoodlums from taking over our secretariat and looting our local government secretariats. And we are saying to the IG of police that the current leadership of the command in Rivers State is actually discharging their responsibility with a high level of professionalism, without being biased to party A or party B.
First and foremost, I want to mention to you, my duty as a policeman is to protect lives and properties. And I give you my word that we are going to continue to protect lives and properties. We are not politicians. We will do our best not to join their politics. I thank you so much for all you have done, for the support you have given us. I assure you that we continue to do our jobs of maintaining law and order.
Thank you.